Hey there, Geometry Cats. Today we're going to be looking at 2.1b. I'm back at it, y'all. Making the videos for all my peeps out there in Peep World. Today we're going to be diving deeper into the land of logic and the logical. But first, let me make this statement. Alright, what is a statement? Well, a statement is a sentence, and it can be either true or false, right? And that's what we're going to be looking at this section, is whether or not something is true or false. And you may be asking yourself, why are we doing this in geometry? Well, math is the study of logic. We are in logic. If you do any sort of computer programming, this section is huge. Also, telling whether or not something is true or false, kind of important. Alright, we're going to call that the truth value. Alright. And a lot of times we're going to use the letters P and Q to represent statements. So P or Q are usually going to be statements. Alright? For example, P is our statement. Supplementary angles have a sum of 180 degrees. Is that true? Yeah, it is. So that's true. We did it, team. Alright. So now what's a negation? Well, right away, that sounds pretty negative, because it is. But it doesn't mean it's always false. For example, or I shouldn't say for example, a negation actually has the opposite truth value. I can spell. I spelled once. What? No, I can't. Obviously, I can't spell. Ay, caramba, that's pretty bad. Mumbling to myself. Alright. So for not, we're going to use this symbol to mean not. Okay? So if you see that symbol in front, it means not P. Okay? So for my above example, P, if I do not P, I add the word not in there. So supplementary angles do not have a sum of 180 degrees. Is that true? No, that's false, because we all know they add up to 180. Yeah, I'm not fooling you guys. Alright. Now, what's a compound statement? What's a compound in chemistry? Good question. Compound is when two or more statements are joined. Okay, so we're going to join two or more statements. Are joined. What words are we going to use? We're going to use an and, or a, or. This and or that. Alright? Alright. We're going to use a conjunction. Alright? What's a con? Someone who committed a crime is an ex-con. No. Stop it. Focus. Con means with, together. So if we're using and or, the one that means together is going to be the word and. And means together, conjunction. How do we write that as a symbol? We write this little upside down hat thing. That means P and Q. Okay? When is this true? When both statements are true. Okay? So if I say I love cats and I love dogs, but I don't love cats, the entire statement's false. Even if I do love dogs, the entire statement's false, because both parts of the and have to be true. Now, disjunction. Dis is the junction. This one we're going to use the word or, and we're going to use the upside down caret button. This means P or Q. this is true when either, I'm going to change this statement, is true. One and or both of the statements are true. Because if I say I love cats or I love dogs, but I just love dogs, the entire statement was true because I said I love cats or I love dogs. But that statement would also be true if I did love cats and dogs. Okay? Love all the animals. Alright? Alright. Alright. Let's do one of these beasts, okay? Let's do one of these beasts. And I'll send you on your way. So we are going to take this P and Q. That statement means and. We're going to take our P and our Q and combine them. Alright? Then we're going to determine whether or not it's true. So we're going to say there are 7 days a week. Okay? And March has exactly 30 days. Now, does March have 30 days? No, it doesn't. So this part's not true. If that one part's not true, the whole thing is not true. Alright, y'all, I'm going to get wild and skip right ahead to number 8. The night is getting late. It's past my bedtime. Gotta get my beauty sleep. Alright, let's look at number 8. Not P or not Q, right? Not P, that means not. That means or, not Q. So P was there are 7 days in a week. So not P would be there are not 7 days in a week. Or symbol, before it said March has exactly 31 days. So now we're going to say March does not have 31 days. Or was it 30? It was 30 days. Alright. Now, the first part of the statement is false. There are 7 days in a week, last time I checked. But it's an or. So they can both be true, or one of them, just one of them has to be true. And March does not have 30 days. So that part's false. This part's true. With an or, just one part has to be true to make the whole statement true. Alright? We're going to go over some more of these in class and have some class. And I hope you all have a great day.